Okay guys, so now we're just going to do a basic setup with all white crushed sheer fabric, and we are going to drape this canopy with 20 panels. Stay tuned. So this is pretty much the setup of a basic round canopy, right? There's so many other different embellishments and different styles that you can actually do to make a more dramatic look, or you can add chandeliers, you can add a crossbar along this way or that way, so you can add a drop ceiling. So many different things you can do when it comes to a canopy and different draping styles. That's why you should hit that subscribe button, because I have so many more different videos to show you guys. It's giving you tips, tricks, and tutorials. So be sure to hit the subscribe button so you can get the notifications every time I upload a new video. So let's continue, shall we? If you liked the video that you just saw, guess what? You could click either one of these videos below to get even more tips, tricks, and resources, right? But don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on your bell so you can get the notifications, so you know every Tuesday and Thursday when I upload a new video. Stay tuned, be blessed, and again, share this video.